Welcome to our English Flow podcast channel.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Flow podcast.
Today, we have a very useful topic.
Yes, traveling is fun, but airports can be confusing for English learners.
That's right. We will talk about the airport.
The title for today is At the Airport, Arrival, Immigration, and Customs.
Exactly. This is a 60-minute special episode. We will explain every step.
Great. Our listeners need this. Where do we start?
We start at the beginning. The plane lands.
Okay, the plane is on the ground. What happens first?
You will hear an announcement. The flight attendant will speak.
What will they say?
They will say, "Welcome to city name. Please remain seated until the plane stops."
Remain seated. That means stay in your seat.
Yes, do not stand up. Wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to turn off.
Okay, the sign is off. Now I can stand up.
Yes, now you can stand up and get your carry-on bag.
The small bag from the overhead bin.
Correct. Be careful when you open the bin. Bags can fall out.
Good tip. So, I have my bag. I am ready.
Now you wait. You must wait for the people in front of you.
Be patient.
Yes, be patient. Then you walk off the plane. You say thank you to the flight attendants.
I am off the plane. Where am I?
You are in a long tunnel. This is the jet bridge. It connects the plane to the airport building.
Jet bridge. Okay, I walk through the jet bridge.
Now you are inside the airport terminal.
The terminal. It is very big. Where do I go now?
This is the most important part. Look for the signs.
What signs?
You must follow the signs for arrivals or baggage claim.
Arrivals. Baggage claim. I see them.
Sometimes the sign also says immigration or passport control.
So I just follow those signs?
Yes, everyone from your flight will walk the same way.
That is an easy tip. Follow the crowd.
Exactly. You will walk for a few minutes. Airports are very big.
What if I need to use the bathroom?
You can. There are bathrooms, restrooms on the way.
Okay, I am walking. I am following the arrival sign.
You might see other gates. You might see shops.
Can I stop and shop?
No, you cannot stop yet. You must go to immigration first.
Okay, no shopping. I keep walking.
Sometimes in very big airports, you might take a train.
A train inside the airport?
Yes, it is a small train called a shuttle. The signs will show you where to go.
So I just keep following the sign for baggage claim or immigration.
That is the perfect rule. Just follow the signs.
After walking, where do I go?
You will enter a very large room.
What is in this room?
There are many lines for people, and there are many small booths.
Booths, like small windows with an officer?
Yes, this place is called immigration or passport control.
Ah, this is the first big step.
Yes, this is where the airport checks your passport and your visa.
This is where we will stop for now.
Correct. You have arrived at the immigration hall.
Okay, we are in the big room. This is immigration.
I see many long lines. Which line do I choose?
You must look at the signs above the lines.
What do the signs say?
There are usually two types of lines.
Two types?
Yes, one line is for citizens or residents. This is for people who live in this country.
That is not for me. I am a visitor.
Correct. You need the other line. It says all passports or foreign passports or non-residents.
Okay, I will find the All Passports line.
Now you must wait in the line. This can take a long time.
What do I need to have ready?
Have your passport ready
Just my passport?
and your arrival card or landing card.
What is that?
It is a small paper form. The flight attendants give it to you on the plane.
Oh, yes, I filled it out on the plane. It asks for my name and passport number.
Yes, it also asks where you will stay, the address of your hotel.
It is very important to fill this card out completely.
Yes, very important. The officer will ask for it.
So I have my passport and my arrival card.
Good. Now you are at the front of the line. It is your turn.
I walk to the booth. The officer is there.
Yes, walk to the booth. Be polite. Say hello.
Hello.
The officer will say, passport, please.
I give the officer my passport and the arrival card.
Yes, the officer will look at your passport. They will scan it.
What questions will the officer ask me?
They ask simple questions. Do not be nervous.
What is the most common question?
What is the purpose of your visit?
Purpose means why am I visiting?
Correct. You can say, I am here on vacation, or I am here for tourism.
Simple. I am here on vacation.
The officer might also ask, how long are you staying?
How do I answer that?
You can say, I am staying for 2 weeks, or I am staying for 10 days.
Okay, what is the purpose of your visit and how long are you staying?
Another common question is, where will you be staying?
I should say the name of my hotel.
Yes, say, I am staying at the hotel name.
These questions are easy.
They just want to check your information.
What else might happen at the booth?
The officer will say, look at the camera, please.
For a photo?
Yes, and they might say, please put your finger on the scanner.
This is for a fingerprint.
Correct. It is very standard. Just follow the instructions.
So I answer the questions, they take my photo.
Yes, if everything is good, the officer will take a stamp.
A stamp?
Yes, they will stamp your passport. Stamp sound.
What does the stamp mean?
It means you are officially allowed to enter the country. It shows the date you arrived.
That's great.
The officer will then give your passport back to you.
What do I say?
Just say, thank you.
Thank you.
Now you walk past the booth. You are finished with immigration.
Step 1 is done. What is next?
Now we go to baggage claim. We finished immigration. We have our passport.
Yes, I have my stamp. I am very happy.
Now we need our big suitcases.
The bags I checked in at my first airport.
Exactly. We must go to baggage claim.
I see a sign. It says baggage claim with a picture of a suitcase.
Perfect. Follow that sign.
I am walking. Now I am in a very big area.
What do you see?
I see many moving belts. They are called carousels.
Yes, those are the baggage carousels. Your suitcase will come out on one of them.
But there are many carousels, maybe 10 of them?
Which one is for my flight?
Good question. You must look at the big TV screens.
The screens on the wall?
Yes, these are the arrival screens. Find your flight number.
My flight number. Okay, flight 123 from London.
Next to the flight number, it will show a carousel number.
It says Carousel 5.
Great! Now you walk to Carousel 5.
What if I need help with my bags? They are heavy.
You can get a luggage cart or a trolley.
Where do I find a cart?
They are usually near the entrance to the baggage claim area.
Do I have to pay?
Sometimes they are free, sometimes you must pay a small fee.
Okay, I have my cart. I am at Carousel 5.
Now you wait.
The waiting part.
Yes, sometimes it is fast, maybe 10 minutes. Sometimes it is slow, maybe 30 minutes.
Be patient again.
Look, the carousel is starting to move. A red light is flashing.
I see bags coming out from the hole.
Watch carefully for your bag. Many bags look the same.
My bag is black. Oh, there are many black bags.
This is why a name tag is important, or a bright ribbon.
I see my bag, the one with the yellow tag.
Okay, be careful. Take the bag off the carousel.
It is heavy.
Put it on your luggage cart.
I have one more bag. I will wait for it.
Okay, now I have all my bags.
What happens if my bag does not arrive?
This is a problem, but there is a solution.
What is the solution?
You must find the baggage service or lost luggage office.
Where is that?
It is always in the baggage claim area.
I go there and tell them my bag is lost?
Yes, give them your baggage claim ticket, the small sticker from check-in.
They will help me find it.
Yes, but today our bags are here. We are lucky.
I have all my bags on my cart. Am I finished?
Not yet. There is one more step.
What is it?
We must go through customs.
Okay, Ben, we have our bags. We are ready to leave.
We are almost finished. The last step is customs.
I see the signs for customs.
This is where the government checks what you are bringing into the country.
What are they looking for? They check for things like food, plants, large amounts of money, or too much alcohol.
Do you remember the arrival card from the plane?
Yes, the paper I gave to the immigration officer.
Sometimes there is a second form. It is the customs declaration form.
Oh, yes, I fill that out too. It asked me if I have any food.
Correct. You must be honest on this form.
I have my form ready. Now, where do I go? You will see 2 doors or 2 lanes.
What are they?
One is the green channel, the other is the red channel.
Green and red, like a traffic light.
Exactly. The green channel is for people with nothing to declare.
Nothing to declare. What does that mean?
It means you do not have any items that are special or restricted.
Like food, plants, or too much alcohol?
Yes, most travelers and tourists have nothing to declare. They use the green channel.
What is the red channel for?
The red channel is for people with something to declare.
For example, if I am bringing in 50 bottles of wine?
Yes, or if you are carrying more than $10,000 in cash, you must go to the red channel and tell the officer.
I only have my clothes and some chocolate.
Then the green channel is for you.
So I push my cart with my bags through the green channel.
Yes, usually you just walk through.
Is there an officer?
Yes, a customs officer will be watching.
Will they stop me?
Maybe. Sometimes they do. This is a random check.
What happens if they stop me?
Do not worry. Be polite. The officer might ask you a question.
What kind of question?
They might ask, "Are these your bags?" You say, "Yes, they are."
Or they might ask, do you have any food to declare?
You say, "No, I do not." Or, "Yes, I have some chocolate."
What if they want to look in my bag?
They will say, "Please put your bag on the X-ray machine."
Just like at security?
Yes, you put your bag on the machine, they check it. If it is okay, you can go.
Okay, that is simple.
So, we walk through the green channel, the officer smiles and nods.
We are finished?
Yes, we walk through a set of sliding glass doors.
Where are we now?
We are in the public arrivals hall.
I see many people. They are waiting for their friends and family.
They are holding signs with names.
We are finally out. We did it.
Yes, let's review the 3 main steps.
First, immigration. We showed our passport and got a stamp.
Second, baggage claim. We found our flight on the screen and got our suitcases from the carousel.
Third, customs. We chose the green channel and walked through with our bags.
And now you are free to find a taxi, a bus, or your friend.
You are ready to start your vacation.
That is all the time we have for today.
We hope this episode helps you on your next trip.
Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast.
Travel safe. Goodbye.